Today in chapter 15, Interface Python with MySQL part 4. In last video we learned how we can perform insert query and how we can perform delete query from a database to update the database operations. So now today we learn how we can update query performing update query. So we can update record from table with Python program. We need to run again commit function with the connection object for queries that changes the data of the database table so that changes are reflected in the database. And to execute SQL query we use execute method. Again we have a question: write a Python program to update record in detail table of MySQL database school. So our database is school and our table is detail. So now step 1, we start our Python program and write the Python program. So our first step in this, import mysql.character as SQL TOR. So first of all we open MySQL character object, import this module. Then in step 2 I open my connection with the help of connect method. So host is localhost, user is root, and password is blank, and database is school. So as we know that this connect method is used to open MySQL with Python, and it has 4 arguments. It has 4 arguments: localhost, user, password, and database. So host is always localhost, user is always root, and password is blank, and database is school. Now if we have to check that connection is made or not, so that time if my connection is connected equal to false, it means print error, and if connection is successfully created, then we will create a cursor equal to my connection dot cursor. So st equal to, now I write the update query. So what is the query? Update detail set salary. So we have to set the salary where name equal to dot format 6000, we have to set the salary, and name equal to Ram. So whose name is Ram, his salary must be set equal to 6000. So in this way we can write the update query. Now we have to execute this query. So I write the command cursor dot execute st. So whatever query it will execute, so whatever changes it will made, this will be saved by the database by the help of my connection dot commit function, and after the reflect the database we will close the connection. So my connection dot close. So in this way we can update the query by the help of Python through MySQL database. So step 1 was, first of all we import our package, import our module. So MySQL dot connector SQL TOR. Then my connection connect method will connect this database school. Then we check the method that connection is made or not. After the connection making, we will open the cursor and we will write the we will write the update query, and we will execute this update query by the help of execute method. Then we will save this reflected made by changes by the commit method, and my connection dot close. After my connection dot close, program will be closed. So in this class we learned how we can perform update the query, and we did through this example.